Okay, so let's look at another common way of utilizing functions. And this one sort of brings the idea across that in real world programming, we tend to have lots of function calls where one function calls another function to help it complete its task. Okay, so here we have three functions, right? We have main, we have print triangle, and we have area of triangle. So I want us to notice in print triangle, right? Print triangle calls area of triangle, okay, which is down here. So let's look at what this would look like. Okay, so the first thing that would happen is from main we would call print triangle. Okay, and so the computer would jump to the print triangle function, and it would start executing the print triangle function. Right now, when it hits the first line and it's executing it, you notice the first line is a function call, and it's calling area of triangle. So what will happen? We will go from here to area of triangle. Okay, and of course we will send value 1 and value 2. Okay, and so when we call area of triangle with value 1 and value 2, well, then we compute the area of the triangle. And notice, let me fix this. I forgot to put double, right? Obviously, I need to create a variable. Let me quickly fix this. Double. Okay. Okay. So I create a variable of type double, which allows me to store the area of the triangle, and then I return that result. Now, who do I return that result to? Well, I return it to the function that called it. So who called area of triangle? Well, print triangle. So notice we return back to print triangle, and we execute the next line of code, which is just to print what was returned. And now, since this print triangle is finished, we will then go back to who called print triangle. And who called print triangle? Main. Okay, and so we go back to main, and then main will finish executing. And that's how the program comes to an end. Okay, so again, we call it a chain of function calls because it's like a chain. You go from one to the next, to the next, to the next. Right? Again, this is a very common pattern. As we keep writing functions, you'll notice that you'll be asked to create functions that use other functions to help it complete its task. Okay, so very common pattern, and you'll get used to it the more you use it. Okay, so what I want to do in the next video is to take these three functions and put them into Python tutor so that we can visualize exactly how the function calls are working. Okay, I'll see you in that video.